Welcome, children. Today we'll be seeing some real life application of statistics. Okay, we know that maths being a very abstract subject, we hardly understand what are the uses of mathematics. We study maths, but we hardly know any application of mathematics. Let me tell you, maths is the most important subject of all, and it has application in each and every field. And statistics being one branch of mathematics which has application in almost all the fields. You name a field, whether it is related with science, whether it is related with commerce or arts, wherever you go, you need statistics. It has a huge application. So let us see what are the some of applications of statistics. So what is statistical problems? It is in the real life, it is consist of sampling, okay, modeling, inferential statistics, probability, estimating, enabling a team to develop effective projects in problem solving frame. So these are the statistics problem. Now you can see each and every field, whether it is e-commerce, all your e-commerce, like you have Amazon, you have Flipkart and all. How do they work? They all work on the application of statistics. Okay, what do they do? Identifying the consumer, recommendation products, analyzing reviews and all. These all are based on statistics. Manufacturing company also use statistics. Banking uses statistics. Healthcare. We'll see how these epidemics are being um, predicted. Okay, whether the epidemic is going to die, whether it is going to, you must have heard this, the second wave of coronavirus will reach to the peak till 15th May, and after 15th May it is going to reduce. How does this prediction happens? It's all based on mathematics. Okay, these researchers, they use statistics to predict the future of anything. Transport, transportation, finance, you name any field and you will see statistics, the use of statistics. Weather forecasting, how weather forecasting is being done. Okay, the computer uses in the weather forecasting is based on the set of statistics functions. All these statistics functions to compare weather condition with a pre-recorded season and conditions, and this help the government to protect the town or to protect the area which will be getting affected by these natural disasters like cyclone and all. Epidemic analysis, as I told you, how the researchers, they predict whether it is going to, means it's going to be in the peak or it is going to reduce. How do they do it? With the help of statistics. Okay, so the important quantity is that reproductive ratio, that is R naught. Okay, they used to calculate this R naught with the help of statistics, which corresponds to the mean number of individual infected by each infectious person. If this R naught is less than 1, epidemic is going to die. If R naught is greater than 1, if the value of R naught is greater than 1, then it is going to persist. So they used to calculate R naught. Even in the research work, for hypothesis and all, we need statistics, t ratios, z ratios, we all calculate and then we predict what will happen in the future. Computer science, in the field of computer science, application of statistics in computer science and the machine learning algorithm, efficiency can be increased significantly. Okay, one also can reduce the price of processing with the help of statistics. If one does not understand statistics, it is not possible to know the logical algorithm and find challenging to develop them. Okay, so we see in the field of computer science also statistics is used. Robotics. Okay, statistics has various uses in the field of robotics. The various techniques can be applied in this field, such as EM, practical filters, Kalman filters, and all. The robot also senses the present state by estimating the probability, density function, whole value, and all. With the help of new input sensories, the robot continuously update themselves and give the priority to the current actions. So we see robotics also, it is based on statistics. Aerospace, okay, that is especially the route analysis. Uh, Aeroplane, the two aeroplanes never collide with each other. They never collide. You have not heard all these type of news that two planes have collided with each other? It never happens because this all based on mathematical calculation. Okay, there are numerous ways in which statistics are easily implemented, such as details about the shrinkage and the growth rate for a route. Okay, all these routes are being controlled mathematically. Apart from this, statistics are used to study traffic decline and the growth and the number of accidents due to aerospace failure, etc. The several airline industries uses these statistics information to check how they can work to make better aerospace future. Machine learning, okay. The statistics are utilized for quantifying the uncertainty of the estimate skills within the machine learning modeling. Okay, data cleaning, selection of data, data preparation, okay, selection of model. These all are based on statistics, and all these machines, all electronic machines, your computers, gadgets, electronic gadgets, your cell phone, your tabs, computer, laptops, these all are based on statistics. Okay, prediction. How do we predict what will happen in the future? Okay, the figure helps to us make a prediction about something that is going to happen in the future based on what we face in our daily lives, and we make predictions. Okay, so when we apply these statistical techniques to estimate an event, the same statisticians use it. The doctors, engineers, artists, anyone, they all do prediction what will happen in their field in future. What are the forthcoming in the future, what will happen? So they all, how do they predict? They all predict with the help of statistics. Okay, the doctors use statistics to understand the future of the disease. Business statistics. Any new business or any large organization uses business statistics to utilize various data analysis tool. Okay, their profit loss. Business can be successfully rely on the things what is working and what is not. Besides, these statistics are widely used in consumer good products. Okay, which area, the which product the sale will be more. Okay, which product is in demand. So these all are based on these statistics. There are many other uses of statistics: emergency preparedness, political campaigning, sports, research, education, insurance company, financial market. You name any field and you will find the use of statistics. Okay, the career scope of statistics, I'll tell you, this is the most important and the highly paid career. Okay, we have bachelor in statistics and master in statistics. Those who do, they earn a lot. What the IITians are earning, their annual income is same as the IITian engineers. The B stats, bachelor in statistics. So what are the career scopes if you do statistics? Mathematician using existing and newly developed principle, mathematicians can develop statistical models to analyze data. Okay, you will become a market research analyst. You will become atmospheric scientist, meteorologist in the field of statisticians, operation research analyst, financial analyst, and many more, because you name the field and you will have all these analysts. They are statisticians only. Thank you, children.